Look at this guy. I wish I had the coffee cup now. This is La Reforma, Dolores, a very prominent building, public office. Walk to the Museo Cabañas. All chilaquiles to go. Ooh. Uh-oh. This guy's amazing. Waving. Oh yeah. Buffet de China. Just to simulate having an open mind. The tree. Okay. There's the cathedral. I got 5 seconds. We got it. So these are famous people to the city, and a lot of them are respected. One of them is not. This was for the Luz Festival, the lights. It was really cool. It's a Pantheon with no dome. Still pretty cool. Yeah. A little weird about walking in parks because I just want to chill. People just want to chill. Okay, so this one. He is the bad guy, quote unquote. I forgot what he did, but I think he was the Student Revolution massacre. It was pretty bad. Apparently they have this red paint people throw on it to voice their displeasure. I'm surprised they don't just tear it the fuck down though. But it's history. Next up is the Jalisco. Oh, Guadalajarans are known as tapatios. Kind of like it. It's also interesting to see so many disappeared posters. I don't recall it in Mexico City, but it's probably a big problem here. There it is. Alright, next up, Catedral, Gothic. Oh, those species you could rent with the Jalisco card. It's pretty cool. Got this mountain. This is all filled with people. One of them on the right is 58 feet or meters, I think feet, higher than the left. It's pretty interesting. Down you go. Cool. 483 years for the city. Bum, 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 bum. Let's go, check out this little gazebo. This was all lit up the other night, but I do love how they have all these flowers blooming. I was told they have enough tree variety to always have something in bloom here. So if it's not these yellow flowers, yellow tree flowers, it'll be another one, pink ones. It's pretty interesting. I was told they didn't like the naked images, so they like covered them up for a while. But now they're cool. Now they're good. They got over it. Theater is to our right, and the Cabanas is also to our right. That's where we're gonna head. really know how this works. Oh, it's green. We just wait.